A folding art director is a person who collects, manages, and sells pieces of origami artworks. They have a deep love and understanding of origami art, and they need the ability to find rare or unique works. Salary is not definitely defined in this area. Collectors' profits depend heavily on the value and rarity of the works they own and sell. Some expensive origami art can sell for thousands to tens of thousands of dollars, so successful collectors can make a significant amount of money. Occupational characteristics require meticulousness, patience, and research skills. Continuous research is needed to understand the origami art market and to understand trends and values. Networking skills are also important, and you need to maintain good relationships with other collectors and artists to get information and access to rare works. There is no typical path to being an origami art director as a job. It usually begins with individual enthusiasm and interests. As a first step, you need to build a deep knowledge and understanding of origami art. Next, we need to build a wide network to find works from various sources. It is also important to understand market trends and values through auctions or gallery visits. There is also a way to get enough capital to start with an initial investment. There is also a way to open and sell your collection, such as holding exhibitions or operating online platforms. This allows you to make your name known and increase the value of your collection at the same time.